Kawaki Commission named names. It produced a sealed envelope. Remember that envelope? Containing individuals to be referred for prosecution. That envelope went to Kofi Annan. The ICC process began. 6 individuals were indicted. Then the African Union lobbied against the ICC. Then Kenya's parliament voted to withdraw from the Roman statutes. Then witnesses were intimidated, bought off, or in some documented cases, killed. Then the cases collapsed. The accountability sadly did not exist. If you can fund violence, win an election, and face zero legal consequence, you have just proven to every political actor in the country that the model actually works. You have just made violence rational.